Equations reducible to linear form. If you have watched a previous video, then this video is really very easy for you to understand. If you haven't watched that video, I'll recommend you to please watch Problems on Linear Equations in One Variable Part 6, whose video link you will find in the description box below. Watch that video and then come here, then you can understand it very easily. Now, here, let's begin our discussion. Here we have x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 by 8. An algebraic expression is in the numerator and algebraic expression is in the denominator. Therefore, this whole is not a linear equation. Because linear equation in one variable, here we are discussing only about linear equation in one variable, it should be of something of the form ax plus b is equal to something, right? But here you have another expression in the denominator. Therefore, it is not a linear equation. It's not in the form of linear equation. Okay. Now, how to solve this? It's very simple. Think that x plus 1 is p and 2x plus 3 is q. Treat it like a rational number. Like, think that it is of the form p by q, and p by q is equal to actually 3 by 8, right? And then do the cross product, do the cross multiplication. That is 8p is equal to 3q, where 8p is x plus 1 and 3q is actually 2x plus 3. Think it like that way. Okay, then you can simply solve it. So it's really very easy. So what we have to do is, whenever you see such situation, so simply do the cross multiplication. The cross multiplication. So this gives you 8 times x plus 1 is equal to 3 times 2x plus 3, and if you solve it you get 8x plus 8 is equal to 6x plus 9, and this is equal to, now transpose 6x to the left hand side, that is minus 6x, and at the same time transpose 8 to the right hand side, that is 9 minus 8, and if you solve it you get 2x is equal to 1, and if you further solve it you get x is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the answer. If you want to check it, you can put here 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 times 1 by 2 plus 3. If you solve it, you get, solving this one, that is adding 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 will give you what? Will give you 3 by 2 divided by, what is this? This is 1 plus 3, that is 4, right? This is actually what? 4. So this 4 is actually what? 4 by 1, right? Here when you get this, solving it, you get 4. So this 4 can be written as 4 by 1. So this is what? 3 by 2 times 1 by 4. So this is 3 by 8. And this is exactly the same to this one, right? Okay. Let's solve this one. Here we have 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. Again, think that it is of the form p by q, and do the cross multiplication. So if you cross multiply it, this is 5 times 3y plus 4 is equal to minus 2 times 2 minus 6y. This is 15y plus 20 is equal to minus 4 plus 2 times 6y means 12y. So if you transpose 12y to the left hand side, you get 15y minus 12y. At the same time, you transpose 20 to the right hand side, you get minus 4 minus 20. Solving this will give you 3y is equal to minus 24. Now, If you divide both the left hand side and the right hand side by 3, because we want to get rid of this 3 so that we are only left with this variable y, so divide by 3, you get minus 8. Y is equal to minus 8. Now you can simply put here and you can cross check your answer as we have done here. 7y plus 4 and by y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. Again, cross multiply it. So this becomes 3 times 7y plus 4 is equal to minus 4 times y plus 2. If you solve it, you get 21y plus 12 is equal to minus 4y minus 8. Transpose this minus 4y to the left hand side, you get 21y plus 4y, and at the same time transpose this 12 to the right hand side, you get minus 8 minus 12. This is equal to 25. Y is equal to minus 20. And if you solve it by dividing both the left hand side and the right hand side by 25, you get y is equal to minus 20 by 25. Now the highest common factor of 20 and 25 is 5. So dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 5, you get y is equal to minus 4 by 5. This is your answer.